For free customizable daily meditations from the best personal growth teachers in the world, create your free Mindvalley account today at mindvalley.com. Your meditation starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Check your grounding. Make sure your analyzer's off and your energy's running. Think of a problem you have, maybe something you're angry about or someone who crossed your boundaries, and ask yourself, do you believe that you have a choice? I want you to start to feel your aura vibrating at seniority. For now, just know that you have seniority. You have a choice. Feel that energy of seniority all through your aura and all around you. Very good. Now say to yourself, I declare that I have seniority in my space. I declare that I have seniority in my space. Notice how that changes your energy. Really own it and take responsibility. In this situation or with this person, notice how was your aura when you absorbed this energy? Get a sense for the size and definition. Don't think, just feel what was your aura like when this energy came in? And what would you adjust to make it different? Maybe a little closer, more well-defined, a little more or less permeable. And do that right now. Make your aura the setting you would have liked to have had with this person or situation before. Good. Now, notice the foreign energy in your aura. You might just feel it, or maybe you see a little dark patch or some color. Where is this energy which is not yours? And if you're feeling unsure, you might just decide, oh, that's the energy that's not mine. Give that energy permission to exist. If you're resisting it, let go of that resistance now. We're going to move it out soon, and then you won't care if it exists, because it'll be outside of you. Next, forgive anyone else who shared this information with you, who shared this energy with you. It's not really their fault any more than it's yours. Good. Now let that energy go. Just release it into your cosmic energy or down your grounding and out of your space. Say to yourself, in accordance with my seniority, I command all foreign energies to release now. In accordance with my seniority, I command all foreign energies to release now. Just feel. Just feel the energy leaving. Feel yourself returning to your true energy. Take a deep breath. Feel your aura boundary around you. Really well defined, with your seniority and your ability to choose. Just admire your own boundary and say, I love my seniority and boundaries. I love choosing my space. Smile. Very good. And open your eyes.
We hope you enjoyed your meditation. For free daily meditations, hypnotherapy sessions, and altered states training to help you improve sleep quality, reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus, increase self-confidence, or dive deeper into spirituality, download the Mindvalley app. You can't put a price on better mental health, so we didn't. Enjoy free meditation every day. Simply download the Mindvalley app to get started.